If you've been looking for a hassle-free way to collect donations directly through your WordPress site in 2025, this guide is all you need. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to add a donation form and connect it to Stripe so donations go straight to your account. No coding, no confusion. First, open your browser and head to your WordPress site. In the top right corner, click the Login button. You'll see a few sign-in options. Choose Continue with Google. If you're signed into multiple Google accounts, pick the one connected to your site. This links everything to the correct dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard and click Edit Site. This opens the site editor. You'll see a list of the websites tied to your account. Just click the one you want to update. With your site loaded in the editor, head to the top left and click the plus icon. This is where you insert new blocks and elements. Type donation into the search bar. You should see an option called Donations Form. Click it, and the form will instantly appear on your page. Now that the form is placed, it's time to connect it to your payment processor so people can actually donate. Look for the Connect button on the form block and click it. You'll be prompted to link your Stripe account. Follow the steps on screen. WordPress walks you through connecting securely, and once approved, every donation goes straight to your Stripe balance. And that's it. You've added a functioning donation form to your WordPress site and wired it up to Stripe for secure processing. Whether you're raising funds for a cause, a nonprofit, or a personal project, your visitors now have a seamless way to support you. If this walkthrough helped you out, stick around for more quick WordPress guides and growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.